A newborn baby doesn't have much of a pattern to his sleep schedule. Baby will be sleeping anywhere from 14 to 17 out of every 24 hours, give or take. Your little one will probably only be awake for 30 minutes to an hour at a time, and will nap anywhere from 15 minutes to 3 hours at a stretch. Whoever coined the term sleep like a baby didn't seem to know much about them, because newborns are notoriously restless sleepers who are hungry every few hours and rarely, if ever, make it through the night without waking up. If you're wondering or worrying about your baby's sleep habits, remind yourself of these facts, then relax, enjoy that adorable child of yours and try to get some well. Newborn sleep overview. It helps to remember a few tenets of newborn baby sleep, so you don't tear your hair out when you're up in the middle of the night time and time again. Newborns sleep for most of the day. A newborn baby doesn't have much of a pattern to his sleep schedule. Baby will be sleeping anywhere from 14 to 17 out of every 24 hours, give or take. Newborns are restless sleepers. While older children and new parents can snooze peacefully for hours, young babies squirm around and actually wake up a lot. Newborns are noisy sleepers. Irregular breathing that may include short pauses and weird noises is rarely cause for alarm, but it can freak new parents out. A newborn's normal breathing rate is about 40 to 60 breaths a minute while he's awake, though that may slow to 30 to 40 breaths per minute once he's asleep. Newborns need to eat around the clock. Newborns have very tiny tummies, so while it would be nice to load up your baby with breast milk or formula at bedtime and not hear from him until morning, it doesn't work that way, at least not yet. Newborn babies need to eat at least every 2 to 4 hours, including overnight. Your sleep habits affect your baby. Studies have proven what you probably already know. Well-rested parents are better able to help their babies regulate themselves. If you're exhausted, it will be that much harder to get your baby to calm down. So please, ask for help if you need it, especially at night. It may seem obvious, but taking care of you is one of the best things. How to get your newborn to sleep. Sometimes it's hard to fall asleep in strange places, especially when home was a warm, dark, and very cozy spot inside mommy's belly. When it comes to adjusting to life on the outside, your infant might appreciate sleep enhancers that remind him of home. Try any or all of these baby sleep strategies to make sending baby off to dreamland a little bit easier. Follow safe sleep guidelines. How your baby lies down and gets to sleep is a matter of safety, not just comfort. Swaddle and keep him cozy. After spending 9 months in your tight little tummy, it's no surprise that your newborn prefers a snug space now. Try putting him to bed drowsy but awake. Your baby isn't born knowing how to soothe himself to sleep, and if you let him fall asleep in your arms, you're doing his important work for him. Temper the temperature in his room. Not too hot and not too cold, that's the right climate for baby bear's room. Baby sleep is something most parents stress about, which can add to their already epic exhaustion levels. As long as your little one seems happy and well-rested most of the time, don't worry about your baby's sleep schedule, patterns, and habits, especially in the beginning. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell your little one how to sleep. See you in the next video. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.